And here we have once again Transformers, the Hunt for the Decepticons, Leader Class Starscream. Before we begin the transformation, there were a couple of things I've neglected to mention in the earlier video, which was a discussion on the robot mode. And well, as you can see right now, I forgot to raise the wings, the wingtips, into this position. Actually, you know what? I actually prefer Starscream's wings to be in this position. I actually also forgot to fold them inward. Forgot a lot of things. That's what happens when you don't read the instructions after just opening the packaging and doing a review immediately. I actually prefer the wingtips down rather than this position, but that's the official transformation, so I will show you guys that. The other thing I forgot to mention was this latch. It was originally in this position when I was reviewing it, the robot mode. It's actually supposed to be here to lock the wing assembly. And finally, the last thing I really did forget to mention was you could store the missile rack on the back if you don't want it on any of his arms. So I do apologize for that. I'm sure a lot of you are going to comment a lot of things about these things in the earlier video, so please bear with me. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and transform Leader Class Starscream. So first and foremost, you want to get him in the standard robot mode and get him out of the fxfranz pose. So do that. Let's hope we don't run out of time when we're doing this transformation review. So, like so, just align everything, and once you've gotten that, you are good to go. So first thing you want to do, you can go ahead and fold the wingtips like so. Okay, you can go ahead and fold the fingers, I suppose. Yes, you want to go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep it like this. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and straighten the legs. Okay, hope everybody can see that. Go ahead and straighten the feet like so. Open up the back part of the feet, and then point the toes forward, and then tab. This thing is going to tab into place like so, and fold up the heels. Just straighten up the feet like so, and then you want to go ahead and open these panels up like so. Okay, hope everybody got that. Then what you want to do is you want to just stretch out the hips, and then just make sure the head is rotated or aligned properly. Then what you want to do is fold up the nose cone of the jet, and you will hear a transformation sound. Then what you want to do is lock it into place. Yes. Then what you want to do is lock it in place like so. Okay. With that being said, what you want to do next is just open these flaps or panels. Detach the shoulders. Don't worry about snapping anything. They're really supposed to come off like so. What you want to do is just rotate these joints inward like so, and then fold the pseudo hydraulic joints like that. Okay, like so. Straighten these, and then you want to go ahead and just fold the arms in this position. Then flip the jet over, and then just fold up the hinge, the double jointed hinge upward, so you can align the back part of the jet. You can raise the arm first this way. Same thing on the other side, double joint, and then just align the pieces like so, and then just tab the two pieces together. Noteworthy with that transformation is that the instructions that came with this figure is actually quite useful. let's hold that for a bit. Just a quick intermission. As you can see in this part where what we just did, there is actually a photo on well, like this, a photo like that, and the previous step we did, there was another photo, and this is really much like what Takara does with their instructions. So kudos to Hasbro for really trying to improve their instruction manual and not making it so useless. Okay, then what you want to do is, okay, you can go ahead and just fold up the wing assembly. Okay, make sure it locks. Here, you can do it one at a time, so that's, you don't break anything. Okay, and just, sorry, let me get that. Let me just, okay, oops, sorry. Okay, okay. Okay. So again, as I said, you can just tab these two together. Okay, and then just do it one at a time, like so. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and, okay, before you do that, just fold up these parts of the wings. Okay, and then what you want to do is these are on springs, so that's very nice, easy to transform. Straighten it up, and then just fold these up, straighten it up, fold it, tab it, lock it, and transform into position, like so. I hope that was clear. And finally, what you want to do are the legs. So just rotate, well, ratchet them sidewards this way. Make sure these two panels, they tab in together, and then the feet, they tab in. There's a peg, there are pegs right there, they peg into the peg holes right there. Okay, okay, and then the hips, they peg right there, okay. Okay, let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, thank you. And with that, all that's left to be done is you just fold up the landing gear like so. You can just replace the missiles like so, and you can go ahead and store the missile rack or the cannon arm rack or arm cannon like so. It's what's interesting about storing the weapon right there underneath the belly of the jet is that in jet mode you can actually use the missiles and actually recreate a fight scene when you can hinge the weapon, and then you can load it and then fire, and then you can fire the missile in jet mode. So that's nice. A bit of an interesting detail that Hasbro went out of their way to do so. And finally you have let me just finish this off. Starscream leader class. Ooh, I do apologize. My tripod is just not working properly. So wait, let me just replace it this way. Okay, sorry. And there you have leader class Starscream in his wonderful alt mode or jet mode. It is a beauty, and you can go ahead and compare it with the original Voyager class Starscream jet mode. In terms of detail and features, this jet mode really wins it between the two. However, in terms of hiding all that kibble and all that mass, I think the Voyager class wins it. So this guy does get some points more than this figure in terms of the jet mode. I've been a big fan of the jet mode, the Voyager class. Everybody knows that, but most of you guys know that. But just overall, a big fan of the leader class figure. And even if you don't have even if you have the Voyager class figure, I think this is still a worthy purchase, and it is just a remarkable Transformer figure. So there you have it, the Hunt for the Decepticons Transformers leader class Starscream in his jet mode. Thanks for watching.